Hey, what's going on? It's Calvin, we're IT Partners, Sales Director over here. Wanted to bring you in the back scenes of IT Partners. Not a lot of people get to see it. A lot of it is handled virtually, so wanted to bring you into the office right here. Now we're in the kitchen here. We got our service and help desk here, along with engineers. This is our front line of attack, most important part of the building here. These guys are amazing, average 5-minute response time. This isn't like Comcast, we get your problem solved right away. Here's one of our, we call it the think tank, one of our conference rooms. A lot of work that we're doing is virtually, so our Zoom meetings are done in here. We have some of our group meetings in here. We got here our bar. We make sure that all of our clients are entertained when they come in. We also make sure that when we get a win, we get a sale, we get a deal, something great happens, we have a drink. All right, we try to keep that selection open as well. We don't try to get too dizzy in here though. So here's our other conference room. This is the space for our sales team here. So to your right here is Kevin's office here, one of our owners. So we got marketing here. Head of marketing is Noel, and Sean here, one of our sales reps. Our top rep is really killing it right now. So as you can see him here in the screen, he's focused, he's dialed in, but he is our top rep, our best rep, and we're really proud of him here. So this back here is where I sit. So that's the office.